Hey bro, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Pipedrive, one of the easiest and most powerful CRM tools. Even if you are a complete beginner, we'll cover everything you need to get started in just 7 minutes. Let's jump right in. What is Pipe? What is Pipedrive? Pipedrive is a customer relationship management tool or CRM that helps you track sales, manage leads, and close deals faster. Think of it as your organized workspace for keeping track of your customers and the sales process. First of all, if you don't already have an account, go to pipedrive.com and sign up for a free trial. Just click on try it free, then enter your working email. I will use temporary email for this tutorial. So I'll copy the email address. Just do it a few seconds and copy the email address and paste here. It's easy. And click sign up in 2 minutes. Now join or add a company. And follow the instructions. Add a company and go to your email inbox. Verify your account with this code. Copy code and paste here. Then enter your full name like that. Choose a strong password. Then company name like music. You can add phone number. Then create account. I will use a temporary mobile number. Just search temp number. Then select United Kingdom for this tutorial and copy the number and go back to the Pipedrive account and search for United Kingdom and enter your phone number here and create account and click save. Once you are in, Pipedrive will guide you through a quick setup wizard. You can select your industry, team size, and sales goals. Once inside, you will see the main dashboard, also called the pipeline view. It's divided into stages like leads, contracted, demo scheduled, and on. Each deal you add moves through this stage, just like moving sticky notes across a whiteboard. Now, to add a new deal, click the big plus icon deal button. Fill in the deal name, contact person, organization, deal name or title, value of the deal, like you can use different currency from here like BDT, USD, Euro, etc. And assign it to a stage like current mode, qualified, contact mode, qualified, prospective, qualified, needs defined, and that's it. You can also set expected close dates and prioritize. Pipedrive separates your contacts into people and organizations. People are individuals. You are talking to organization or companies. You can add new contacts, manually import a spreadsheet, or even use Pipedrive's web forms to collect leads directly. As you complete activities, you move deals from one stage to the next. Just drag and drop, super easy. This visual flow helps you instantly see where each deal stands and what to focus on next. Pipedrive also gives you helpful reports. Go to the Insights tab from your dashboard. See the tab to see things like how many deals you have owned, where you are losing deals, and how long your sales cycle takes. Even beginners can spot trends and improve fast with these automatic reports. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Pipedrive, from setting up your pipeline, adding deals, tracking contracts, and moving sales forward. If you enjoyed this beginner's guide, give it a like, subscribe for more CRM tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.